Hello. Good morning, my dear students. So today I would like to discuss some important biology, NEET and CET multiple choice questions. I would like to discuss especially NEET and CET MCQs questions. Chapter number 1, that is living world. So here we are giving exclusive NEET coaching online classes. So I'd like to move the questions. So this is nothing but another session in the same chapter. So now I would like to begin the first question. Okay. So this is the first question that may appear on your screen, right? So here, when the organisms is same class, the organisms is same class, and in the same family, they must be placed in same. So what they asked here, when the organism is same class, same family, they must be placed in between. So here, whenever we are going to see this answer for this question or solution for this question, that is, so here, first I'd like to see the class, class 2, what they asked here. The first, that is nothing but a class, right? So just I was written here class. Next to class 2, what they asked them here. So that is a family they asked here. So now I would like to write here, that is a family, right? So this is a family. Now I would like to write here, that is a family here. So next in between the class and family, in between the class and family, so there must be placed, they must be placed. So in between that particular one, for example, now I would like to explain here very clearly. So that is a phylum. Next after that phylum, so class. After that order, right? So next after that family, right? Family, isn't it? So here in between the class and family, okay, so in between class and family, in between class and family, so there must be an order, right? So for that reason, so the correct option is to be an order. So here now I would like to pick the first option. So the first option is a correct option for this question. So not genus, there is no genus. After that family it will get. So next variety, it is not a variety. Next it is a species. Family, genus, species. Finally we get the species. So in order to that, in between the class and family, we got the order. So we'll get the order. So in order to that, now I would like to pick this question option for this question. This is a correct option for this question. I hope you can understand this question. So now I would like to move on next question. Okay. So this is a second question. So now see the second question. See. So here herbarium sheets are arranged in according to a system of classification and should have the information about. So usually we all know about herbarium. First we will come to know about the herbarium. What do you mean by the herbarium? Just I would like to give a small information regarding that herbarium. So it is nothing but one of the plant which is related to the plant usually. So herbarium, especially we are going to use for plants, not in case of animals. So it is a quick referral purpose. Quick referral purpose. We are going to use as a quick referral purpose. Okay. So here the plant. So plant dried specimen. Plant dried specimen. We are going to kept on a surface of sheet. So that is nothing but a herbarium is a collection of is a collection of preserved plant material preserved plant specimen and associated data used and associated data used for scientific study for scientific study, right? So this is nothing but a herbarium is a collection of preserved plant specimen and associated data used for the scientific study of particular plant. So this is nothing but a herbarium. So herbarium, whenever we are going to see the herbarium and also we are going to collect the herbarium, so we'll have some important things. So during the time of collection, whenever we are going to collecting the material, herbarium or herbarium material, so the date means collection date, and then later, so we need to take the place where we are collected. So next to English name or common name of the plant or vernacular name of the plant. So next to local name, then later botanical name, so and then family. So we need to write the family. So the plant specimen which include which family, we need to write the family. And finally, last one is very most important, collector name, the person who is collected that material. So that is a collected collector's name. Okay. So this complete information, this complete data will be kept on the corner of this particular herbarium. For example, if any one of the sheet, so now I would like to take this is a sheet. So you have to imagine. So for example, this is a sheet here. So in this sheet, so we need to keep the material. For example, this is a material, right? For example, like this, I would like to take this is a material. So we need to keep the material on the surface, for example. Okay. So just you have to imagine. So this is a material. So what we kept on the surface of the particular one. Okay. So here, so they'll make a partition, separate partition for that. So in that we need to fill all the complete information regarding this particular plant material. So whatever the material which we are going to collect, especially on the surface of the sheet, so this is completely on the sheet. So that sheet will be consisting a particular size. So usually, which we are going to use that standard size of the particular herbarium sometimes, even though that size is nothing but a 7 into 12 centimeters. 7 into 12 centimeters. So even though some standard sizes are also available in a different standard sizes. So this is nothing but a little bit information regarding that particular herbarium. So now I would like to see the correct option for this question. So first one is date, date. So this is a date. So next to, sorry, just wait. Okay. So here, uh, D, date. So first one, date, date. So this is the wrong option because of time they have given here. So this is a wrong. So first day and then place, place. So it is also time they have given. So for that reason I am deleting that option also. It was wrong. That means it will be wrong. So next English, English, English. Here also English will be there. So next local name will be there. So next botanical name or botanical name. So next to family and collector name. Family and also collector name. Here the family name will be skipped for this reason. So this option is also wrong. So finally, this is the correct option for this question. So now I would like to choose this question. There's a correct option for this question. Okay. So I hope you all understood very clearly. So this question. So now I would like to move on the next question. So see, you can see the next question. You can see the next question. What is third? Okay. So see, this is a third question. Similarities are more. What? The similarities are more in. So first we shall know about the similarities. Similarities are more in group of related. So usually I would like to explain. So the solution of this question. Okay. So here the similarities. Similarities are more in in a group of related species. Group of related species, right? So here when we are going to talk about the similarities among these organisms, whenever the species or the similar species will be having a more and more similarities. Why I am telling like this? Because so okay, of course sir, the similarities are more in group of related species. Why? Because of because of that Rosa xanthina. So just I would like to give a small example for you people. Because of in our daily life we are going to see the so many different examples in our daily life. So among that I would choose one simple example, that is nothing but a, so most of you people will like very well, because of that is a rose. So most of you all know about the rose, right? So here now I would like to take about the rose. Okay. So the scientific name Rosa xanthina. Rosa xanthina. Rosa xanthina. Next, another scientific name is another species name, that is nothing but a Virginiana. Virginiana. Sir, why you gave this example, sir? Because of the rose, two different types of varieties of roses. These are included in the same species, but here what the difference will be there. So here, while we are going to see this particular one, for example, the genus name is nothing but especially Rosaceae family. It will be included in a Rosaceae family. So it will bear the flower. When we are going to see the flower color here, so that is in yellow color. So in the same plant, in the same rose plant, again, while we are going to see this Rosa virginiana, so it will bear the light pink color. Okay, light pink color, light pink, light pink color flowers will bear here. So whenever we are going to see these differences, especially very similarities will be there among these. Uh, Whenever we are going to see the rose, just simply I am explaining in front of you. So whenever we are going to see the rose plant, it is usually it is an xerophytic plant, right? I think all of you know that. So that xerophytic plant means it will survive very luxuriantly, very less amount of water or the scarcity of water. So the xerophytic plant that will be usually having some kind of spines, right? Even though that rose also. So even though this rose plant is also having a spines, this rose plant is also having a spines, right? So even though it will also bear the flowers, it will also bear the flowers, it will also bear the flowers. The maximum similarities will be there, but the flower will be the same, even the petals and also sepals and everything will be same, but the color is different. But here also maximum it will be the similarities will be there in between these two things. So in order to that, now I would like to choose the question for this option. Option B is a correct option for this question because of the group of related species will be having a maximum similarities, not a member of different taxon, not members of same chart on the same class. Next, a group of related genera is not a maximum similarities. When we are going to see this particular one, so the species level, the group of related species will be having a maximum similarities among those organisms. So in order to that, I was gave a very good example which is related to the particular similarities, means a species similarities. So that is nothing but a rose plant. So I hope you all understood very clearly. So now I would like to move on the next question. Okay. So see, you can see that question, next question. So see, fourth question, right? Sorry, fourth question, right? So in that fourth question, what they have given, see very clearly. So read the following statement and select the incorrect option. So while at the time of reading of the question, very carefully you need to observe whether it is incorrect option or correct option. Because of most of you people will know the exact answer, correct answer, but you may get sometimes confusion because of incorrect option they asked. Incorrect option means not a correct option. Okay, so here see, we shall go through that statements, whatever statements they have given here. So they have given four statements, right? Different four statements they have given here. So you can see that the lower the taxon, more are the characteristics that the members within the taxon share. So here what they are telling on, what they are telling here. So this is a correct option for this because of so when we are going to see the statement, this is a correct statement. Okay, so now I would like to give a correct statement because of lower the taxon, more are the characteristics that are the member within the taxon say. So here This is a correct statement. Okay. So order is an assemble of genera which exhibits the few similar characters. So it is a wrong statement because of the order assemble of genera which exhibits a few similar characters, not few similar characters, right? So even though I would like to see the another thing, another statement. Cat, cat and dog included the same family, Felidae. So included, they are belonging to the same family, Felidae. So because of I'd like to tell you later. Okay. So this is also Felidae. So this is a correct option for this. So next, binomial nomenclature were introduced by Carl Linnaeus. Sorry. The cat and dog are included in the same family. Whenever we are going to see the families, here the family is different. Canis families. So here the family exhibits the similar character. So now I'd like to later discuss. So here the cat and different included the same family. This is a wrong statement. The binomial nomenclature will be given by introduced by Carl Linnaeus. This is a correct option for this. So here what they asked, incorrect statement. So now we would like to give the correct option. Whatever the here I was correct, the statements will be correct. That will be wrong answer because of incorrect statement they asked here. Incorrect statements. So incorrect statements for this reason. So now I would like to give the solution for this question. So you can see on your screen solution. Now we shall see the solution that for that particular one. The order is a highest category of assemble. Order is a highest category of assemble. Families which exhibit families which exhibit families which exhibit the families which exhibit a few similar characters, a few similar characters. Canis familiaris, canis canis famili familiaris, right? So next, it is a domestic dog. So simply I would like to write here dog. So next, Felis domesticus, Felis Felis domesticus. Domestic. Okay. So Felis domestic is nothing but a which is related to the cat, right? So this is a dog, this is a cat. Okay. So this will be entirely different. So in order to that, the dog is different, different, and also cat is different. So whenever we are going to see the dog and cat, dog and dog family. So here dog family will be different. So that is nothing but a Canidae. Canidae is nothing but a dog family. Here they have given very clearly. So this is a wrong option. So here, whatever the correct options will be there. So that is a wrong here. Okay, this is wrong. So this is a wrong now. So for that reason, incorrect option. So in order to that, I would like to pick this is a correct option for this. So whenever it is a wrong, so for that this is also wrong. Next, this is also correct number. So that's what this is a wrong option. So in order to that, so here B and C is a correct option for this question. So in order to that, now I'd like to pick the, so last D is a correct option for this. This is a wrong, this is a wrong. Okay. So for this question, fourth question, so option D is a correct option for this question. Okay. So now I would like to move on next question ma. So see, you can see that next question. So this is a fifth question, right? So I'd like to move on another question, that is a fifth question. So you can see that fifth question. So the first system of artificial classification was introduced by, first system of artificial classification will be introduced by. So I would like to solve here this question, solution for this question. So here so first, artificial system of classification. What do you mean by the artificial system of classification? That we shall discuss here. So now I would like to see the artificial system of classification. What do you mean by the artificial system of classification? So based on presence of or options, based on presence or options, few morphological characters and vegetative characters, few morphological characters and vegetative characters, right? So the artificial system of classification is nothing but is based on the presence or options of a few morphological characters, uh, or vegetative characters. That is nothing but a artificial system of classification. Just you have to remember. So now I would like to see one by one this particular scientist Aristotle. So first I would like to explain about the Aristotle. So Aristotle is nothing but one of the Aristotle is one of the Greek philosopher. Right? So he is one of the Greek philosopher. Next, the Aristotle is also known as father of biology. Okay, right? So next, we should see another scientist, that is Linnaeus. Right? So Linnaeus is nothing but a father of modern taxonomy. Father of modern taxonomy. Just you have to remember. So he is a Sweden. He is from Sweden. Okay. So next, another scientist we are going to discuss, that is Hippocrates. So you can see that Hippocrates Now we shall discuss about Hippocrates. He is a father of he is one of the Greek philosopher, physician. He is one of the Greek physician, and then he is a father of medicine. He is a father of medicine. This is very most important one. Just you have to remember the father of medicine. So he is a father of Hippocrates is a Greek physician. Along with he is a father of medicine. Just you have to remember. So last one is that is nothing but a Pliny the elder. Pliny and the elder. So here he is a Roman author. He is one of the Roman author. Just you have to remember he is one of the Roman author. He is a naturalist. Naturalist means he is a very most expert in nature. So next he is divided into organisms based on, he is especially Pliny and also elder. He is divided into a based on habit and also habitat. Habit and habitat. So here you can see the artificial system of classification will be given by this particular scientist, that is nothing but a Pliny and also elder. He is one of the scientists. So he is a Roman author, the naturalist. He will be classified based on that particular habit and also habitat. So first we shall think about the what do you mean by the habit. Habit is nothing but a, so most you people will know very clearly what do you mean by the habit. Habit means, so the human beings will be having some different types of habits, right? Watching TV, playing cricket, and also playing chess, and also these are the different habits. In the same manner, even though the plants will be having the different habits, means how they are living. The habit is nothing but a how they are living. So that is nothing but a habit. So next, habitat means where they are living, where they are living. So that is nothing but a habitat. Just you have to remember. So this is all about the fifth question, that is artificial system of classification. Pliny is a elder, is a father of introduced by artificial system of classification. The Linnaeus is wrong option. That Aristotle is wrong. Hippocrates is wrong. So I hope you all understood very clearly. So now I would like to move on another question. Okay. So here the sixth question. The Mangifera indica lin indicates, means what they are asking my here, the Mangifera indica. Mangifera indica is nothing but the scientific name of mango, right? So most of you all know that mango, the scientific name of mango. So here lin means what? Lin means that is that species name was first described by Linnaeus. So that Linnaeus, instead of using this complete Linnaeus, shortly we are going to use that Lin, that is nothing but a, instead of we are going to use complete name of the Linnaeus, we are going to use that is a Lin. So this is nothing but that species was first described by Linnaeus, not Latin name, not a specific epithet, not a genus, generic name or genus name. So the correct option is to be B is the correct option for this question. So now I would like to move on another question, that is okay, seventh question, right? The seventh question, the first step of the taxonomy, they have given four options: the classification, characterization, identification, and also nomenclature. So here uh, the detailed description. Now I would like to give a small information which is related to you, which is related to this particular solution. Okay, so see, you can see here detailed description, detailed description detailed description of visual and of visual and other characters of other characters of other characters of the organisms other characters of the organisms to be studied to be studied studied is called characterization characterization and it is a first step of taxonomy. It was an first step of taxonomy, right? So in order to that, the characterization is a correct option for this question. The first step of the taxonomy is detailed description of visual and its characters of the organisms to be studied is called characterization. This characterization is a first step of the taxonomy. So in order to that, not classification, not identification, not nomenclature. The characterization is the first step of the taxonomy. This is the correct option for this question. I'd like to move on another question. See, next one. Okay. So here, this is a 8th question. See, 8th question. Okay. So you can see that 8th question. Sorry. So in that 8th question, they have given very clearly hierarchical arrangement of taxonomic categories in descending order. So they ask descending order, my here, descending order and also ascending order, as we are already know that very clearly. So now I would like to explain very clearly what do you mean by the descending order, what do you mean by the ascending order. Now I would like to explain very clearly, right? So here, descending order, classification of organisms. Okay, so while we are going to these see the solution of this question. Okay, classification of organisms definite sequence not in a random manner. Just you have to remember why I am telling the definite sequence means because of one sequential order we are going to arranging the specimens or different types of organisms, right? The classification based on a particular sequence, right? So in the same manner here the descending order. Okay, here what they asked me here, the descending order, right? So the descending order. So descending order. So descending order. Descending order. Descending order. Starting from means or starting from or starts from kingdom to species. Kingdom to species, right? So means whenever we are going to call descending order kingdom to species. Ascending order means ascending order, that is species to kingdom, as we all know that, right? Isn't it? So here you can see that, for example, now I would like to tell you very clearly. First kingdom, then later class, next to phylum, next to order, next to family, family, then later genus, next to, right? So this completely we are going to call it as, this system we are going to call it as, that is descending order. So if species 2, finally we are going to take kingdom, means this is an ascending order, just you have to remember. So in order to the, this is a correct option, this is a descending order. First one is kingdom, so this is a kingdom. So next to, sorry, here phylum, kingdom, phylum, class order, sorry, kingdom, phylum, class, order, sorry, kingdom, so next to phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. So this is a correct manner of this particular one. So for this reason, so now I would like to pick the correct option for this question. This is the correct option for this question. The taxonomic hierarchy includes the 7 obligate characters, means 7 characters categories. So kingdom to species. So this is nothing but a kingdom to species. So this is nothing but a descending order. So now I'd like to move on another question. So see, we should see the another question. So 9. So a group of individuals which are able to breed, among themselves, produce their own kind of own kind is known as. So usually the group of same species, means according to the biological species concept, according to the solution for this question, according to the biological species concept, according to the biological species concept, species comprises a group of individuals, individuals. So it is nothing but a group of individuals that can freely breed among themselves, freely breed among themselves, So here, and produce a fertile offspring, and finally they are having capability to produce their offsprings. So this is all about the a group of individuals which are able to breed among themselves and produce their own kind of own kind is known as, especially. So option B is a correct option for this question. So because of according to the biological species concept, when we are going to know about the biological species concept, so here the group of species concept, the group of individuals, the freely breed among themselves, means that the same species will be breed among themselves. So not for genus level, and also not family, and also order. So because of biological species concept. When we are going to know about the very clearly biological species concept, so they will be produced themselves, means they will produce their own kind is known as that species especially. So I would like to move on another question. I hope you all understood very clearly. So variety and race are the categories. So 10th question. So now I would like to see the solution for this question. See. So first solution of this question. So first I would like to see the race. What do you mean by the race? The race is a grouping of human 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 based on based on based on shared shared physical physical or social qualities or social qualities qualities into categories generally into categories generally. So why I'm telling like this means because of varieties of races means uh, in the beginning we are already discussed about the reproduction. The reproduction is very necessary for the to raise the to continue their races in the next generation. So in the same manner here also there will be an one question entirely different, that is a variety and the race of categories. That is so here they have given four options for three statements. So variety and the race are the categories. Next to both cannot interbreed. So here are not obligated to the taxonomic hierarchy. So here the varieties races are categories. Categories variety race are the categories. So this is a correct option for this. So next another one is that that cannot interbreed. That cannot interbreed is nothing but it is a wrong one. So next are not obligated to the taxonomic hierarchy. It is not obligatory. So it is also correct option for this. So in order to that, option A and C is a correct option. Both A and C is a correct option for this is a option D is a correct option for this question. Okay. So now I would like to move on next question. So you can see that. So 11th question. One of the most important function of botanical gardens is that what they asked, most important function of botanical garden, right? So see the some important functions of botanical garden. Important functions, right? Important functions of botanical garden. So what are the important functions of botanical garden are there? So here growing of important plant, growing important plants, important plants. Next providing the living material, providing living material, providing living material. So next growing and maintaining the rare and endangered plants, rare and endangered plants, rare and endangered plants, endangered species. So species thus allowing allowing ex-situ conservation, ex-situ conservation. So here they provide the recreation, they provide and recreation. Next, they allow the ex situ conservation of germplasm. They provide the natural habitat for wildlife. Next, they have collection of all tropical plants. So here we are already see the we are already discussed all the functions of this particular important functions of botanical gardens. So these are all the major functions of the botanical gardens. So here is the relocation of endangered species, means here ex situ conservation is nothing but a relocation of relocation of endangered species, right? Endangered species. So here the endangered species, especially we will come to know the ex situ. What do you mean by the in situ? Ex situ means what? In situ means what? Give an example. So ex situ means especially the any one of the organisms, they are extended or endangered species, we are going to growing or we are going to providing a similar natural habitat, means it is not a natural habitat, means we are not growing a natural habitat. So it is a relocation of the species and also species. So from a natural habitat, so we need to providing, for example, endangered species. Simply I would like to tell endangered species. We are going to provide artificial habitat to that living organisms. Why we need to create the artificial or handmade or artificially? We need to give the environmental condition to grow the organisms especially. So here the natural habitat. So many different natural habitats, means so many different organisms can able to grow here. So here only the limited number of animals we can able to grow, or the plants we can able to grow. Here the so many number. So here, so only in the restricted area, only here artificially we are created. Here the naturally we need to protect that particular one. So here best examples for ex situ and also in situ. Now I would like to give the in situ example. So next ex situ example. So here national park is the best example. So next in situ is nothing but it is a zoo. Next here wild animal sanctuaries. So here the botanical garden. So these are the best examples for this particular one. So here they allow the ex situ conservation is a one of the important botanical garden, means it is one of the important to that particular one. So recreation and also the natural habitat wildlife, this is wrong. Next, the collection of tropical plants, this is also wrong. So this is a correct option for this question. That is a B1 is the correct option for 11th question. Okay. So now I would like to move on another question. So see, that is the 12th question, right? This is the 12th one. The common characteristics between the cat and also dog will be a maximum at the level of so here the common characters. So now I would like to discuss about some common characters, especially in between the cat and also dog, right? So the common characters in between the cat and dog will be maximum at the level of order. Okay, so level of order. Why maximum at the level of order? Because of, so in the order, both both dog as well as cat, both dog as well as cat, order is to be carnivora. Why? Because of the carnivora is nothing but both the dog is also carnivorous, cat is also carnivorous, right? So these two organisms will be belonging to the same order. So in order to that maximum characters will be included in that. So even the class is also both the classes means dog and also cat, they are nothing but a mammalian. Okay, so here the mammalian is not given in their options, only the class and only the order has given here. So the order is the correct option for this question, the order. So class is wrong, the family is wrong, the genus is wrong. So now I would like to move on another question, that is the 13th question. So you can see that 13th question. Okay, so which suffix is used in the name animal family? Sorry, animal family. So what they are asking my here. So in the animal family, suffix. So we'll come to know about the suffix and also prefix. Prefix means before that adding. Suffix means later we need to add. So suffix. Okay. Suffix means later we need to add, or after the word we need to add. So just I would like to see the some families like hominidae. Hominidae. Next, another family called Felidae. Okay. So here the common that is hominid is nothing but it is related to the gorilla, as you all know that. So next to Felidae is related to the cat and also lion, leopard, like that. Okay. So always here this is nothing but a family. These are the two different family names, especially the animal family names. So last ending with the suffix means last ending we need to add that word, right? So that is nothing but the last finally here I D A E. I D A E. Okay. So this is also IDAE. Next, this is also IDAE. For that reason, the correct option C is the correct option for this 13th question. Okay, this is the wrong INAE wrong. So ACAE, especially in plants, in some plants, usually we are going to use a last suffix word ACAE. We are going to use here also wrong. Okay. So I hope you all understood very clearly. So now I would like to move on another question. That is a 14th question. Herbarium. So for that herbarium, we are already learned about the herbarium. Herbarium are used to correct the authentic identification. Used to authenticate identification. So the herbarium are useful to. They asked the question here. So used to correct and correct, correct and authentic identification of unknown plants. Authentic identification of identification of unknown plant. It's nothing but one of the use of that particular. It is a correct and also authentic identification of unknown plant. It is nothing but useful of herbarium. So here you can see that herbarium, uh, usually authentication and also identification of that particular one. So here the first one is identification, the providing of living plants material, the systematic work. So usually in herbarium will not use any kind of living material. So in order to that, this is a wrong. So this is a wrong option. Providing the index of plant specimens are found in a particular area. No, the herbarium will not found in any particular area. So next, identification of plants. So of course it will be a correct option for this question. Next, improving the environment. No, it is not necessary for the any kind of herbarium. Is not help to the improving of environment. So only it is improving to the knowledge and also improving to the research knowledge, means some uh, information regarding the plant material. Okay, so now I would like to move on the next question. Okay. See, the 15th question. A scientific discovered a new plant specimen species which according to him might not have been classified in the past. The taxonomic aid is the most likely used to identification of the species. So usually the identification of the species we are going to usually we are going to use manual. Sometimes the manual will be used. Usually we are going to use flora. The manual is not necessary to identify the organisms, means classify the past, and also taxonomic most likely used to identification of the specimens. So for the identification of the specimens, we are going to use the key characters or the keys. So in order to that, the key, first we are going to know about the key solution. The herbarium is nothing but one of the sheet, especially plant. So not museums and also manuals. Museum is not, the manual is not, herbarium is not. The correct option is to be key. So why the key? The key is an artificial. Key is an artificial. Key is an artificial analytic device. Analytic device. Alternate characters which is used to identifying the organisms, means alternate characters used to identify organisms. So here, in order to that, the key is used to identify the organisms, identification of the specimens. So that reason this is the correct option for this question. Now I would like to move on another question, that is another question. See, so that is a 16th question. See, how plant specimens in herbarium can be prevented from a fungal attack. So whenever we are going to do the herbarium, most of you all know that herbarium word. So may think all of you know that the herbarium sheets. So during the preparation of the herbarium sheets, at the time the plant material which we are going to collect it, so whenever we are going to collect the plant material, that plant material, it should be in wet condition. Wet means they are in wet condition. So whenever we are going to drying, we are going to kept one above the another. At the time, sometimes may attack the fungal activity, means fungal activity will be takes place on the surface of these materials. So for that reason, we need to avoid the fungal activity. So specimens we are going to treat it 0. We are going to avoid for this reason. Specimens we are going to treat it with a 0.1 mercury chloride. So that mercury chloride is nothing but one of the fungicide. Just you have to remember fungicide. Fungicide means fungi means fungi. Side means suicide, or nothing but a killing of fungi. So in order to that, the fungicide we are going to use, whenever we are going to use the fungicide, the black color. So we need to avoid the black color of the plant material. So whenever the plant material we are going to take on the surface of the sheet, so at the time the black spots will be formed on the surface of the material. So we need to avoid that black spots on the surface of the material, means herbarium. So we need to use 0.1% of the mercury chloride. It is nothing but one of the fungicide, which is sprayed on the surface of this material because of fungal attack. Okay. So for that reason, so this is the correct option. This is a wrong. This is a wrong. This is a wrong. Okay. So the 0.1% of mercury chloride we are going to use during the time of herbarium preparation, right? So now I would like to move on another question. This is the 17th question. Read the given statements. Read the given statements. Select the correct option. Cat and leopards are included in family Felidae, right? Of course. Next, the statement be cat and also leopards are different genera, right? So here, these two statements are correct. Okay, this is a correct. So this is also correct. So in order to that, option A is a correct option for this question. This is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong. Because of cat and also leopard is included in the same family, that is nothing but a Felidae. So next, cat and also leopard are included in the same genera, that is nothing but a cat and also leopard. So for that reason, this is a correct, this is also correct. Both the statements A and also B is to be correct option for this question. So now I would like to move on another question. See, 18th question. See the 18th question. A group of related genera with still a less number of similarities compared to genus to species constitutes. So here, what they are asking here, the taxonomic category which contains a more or less related genera, more or less related genera, more or less related genera. So here, more or less related genera compared to genus and the species constitute of family. So why I would like to choose, why I am discussing about the family means because of the number of similarities is compared to genus to species. Thus, that genera has having a, for example, the cat is having a Felis, leopard is having a cat. So just I would like to give an example. Felis, the cat is included as Felis, the leopard is, that is nothing but a Panthera. So it is the same genera, but include the family. So include same family that is nothing but a Felidae, right? So in order to that, The family is the correct option for this question. This is a wrong one. This is the wrong. This is the wrong. Okay. So now I would like to move on to the next question. Okay. So 19th question, right? Read the given statement and select the option which one are true or F false. Whether it is a true or false, we need to find out. So here, the different members of species are able to produce fertile offspring. Of course, so different species of organisms, they are able to produce their offspring, means fertile offspring. This is a correct statement. Next, the different members of species have a different karyotypes. How it is possible? No, absolutely it is wrong because of same karyotype. So what do you mean by the karyotype? Karyotype is nothing but the nucleic material, whatever the genetic material. So they are similar in the same species. Means the similar species will be having a similarities. Okay. So if it is not similar, means it is a wrong. Okay, different they ask. All the members of species are derived from common ancestors. Of course. So we are also derived from the ancestors, right? Ancestors means most of the ancestors, means the common ancestors will be ancestors, means the different types of species will be derived from the common ancestors, right? So of course it is a right option. Various members of the species are anatomically similar. Of course, the different species are anatomical, means different members of species are anatomically similar. So it is also wrong, right? Okay. So for that reason, so TF. Okay. So true, false, false. So that's reason this is wrong option. False. This is a wrong option. This is a wrong option. So T. This is a T. First one T. So next F. Next T. So next T. For that reason, this is the correct option for this question. Okay. Option D is the correct option for 19th question. Okay. I would like to move on next question. See, the last question. So 20th question. See what they asked here. All are obligate categories of taxonomic hierarchy except. So obligate hierarchy. So here obligate hierarchy means except means solution. I would like to see here. So obligate character includes in hierarchical classification, hierarchical classification, hierarchical classification. Highest rank kingdom followed. Highest rank kingdom, highest rank kingdom followed by division, 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 class, order. So that is, so whenever we are going to with including means kingdom, division, class, order. Except means that is nothing but a super class. Okay. So the correct option is to be C. This is a wrong, this is a wrong, this is a wrong option. Okay. For this 20th question, option C is the correct option for this question. Okay. So I would like to see the next one. Okay. So with this, I wanted to end this session. Thank you one and all once again. I hope you all understood very clearly. So if you will get any kind of doubts regarding this session, means please comment or please text to me. Okay, thank you and all once again. Thank you.